Hi everyone, welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos, and if you find yourself inspired, join my channel. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So, hi everyone. I am really excited to have this video today. If you see these different photos that are coming across the screen right now, ask yourself, what do all those things have in common? Well, all of these are designs that I tested for Connie over at Just Another Stitch. And guess what? Connie has a wonderful collab giveaway that is going on. And I want to tell you about it so that you can consider participating. It is called #Connie's Just Because Collab Giveaway. And it is really, really exciting because you actually have a chance to win 30 small prizes from 30 different channels. Isn't that awesome? I think so. All right, so this is actually how it's going to work. Connie has a playlist that she has created, and she is adding to it on a regular basis based on when all of the videos go up from all of the different YouTube channels that are collaborating. So you'll want to check that playlist to see who is participating and check it regularly to see who is being added to it. Now, what we are doing is we are going to offer a small gift to the person who wins in the final drawing, which is really, really exciting. This giveaway runs for 2 whole weeks. So it begins on May the 5th and it ends on May the 19th. After the 19th, we will each draw a semi-finalist name. And once we have verified it and made sure that the person is claiming their prize, then we will go ahead and give the name over to Connie. Connie will then pull a final name, and that finalist will receive a gift from each of the participating collab channels. That is really, really exciting. Now, the person who I pull as a semifinalist will also receive a mystery box gift from me. So regardless of whether you win in the final or not, you will get a gift from me. So I hope that that is exciting to you. As far as receiving of the gift and the timeline, I'm going to wait until the final drawing, and that will help me know whether I need to send the semifinal gift and the final gift to the same person or not. Okay, so there will be a delay once I get the semifinalists. I just want to make sure if I'm sending 1 or 2 gifts. All right, so you may get 2 gifts from me if you are my semifinalist and you win the final drawing. So that's really exciting, right? Okay. Now, these are the rules. You have to be 18 years or older in order to participate. It is free to enter. There is no fee whatsoever. This is not being sponsored by anyone. We will need a valid email address as well as a valid physical address in which to send the prizes. The address will only be used for the purposes of this giveaway, for nothing else. It will not be transferred over to a mailing list or anything like that. This is for US only, as you will be receiving a physical prize and not electronic prizes. Any questions that you have regarding the giveaway need to be addressed with Connie over at Just Another Stitch. You do not have to be subscribed to Connie's channel or to my channel in order to participate. However, we would really love it if you did. That would just be awesome. And I will say that if you were subscribed and you set your notifications to all, then you'll be notified when we upload new videos, as well as when we do the semifinal and the final drawing. So that makes it easy for you to keep up. So it might be something to consider. And I hope that if you take a look at videos that I have here, as well as videos that Connie has, or any of the other collaborating channels, you may just find some new family members and be able to hang out with them. All right. So I hope you will consider subscribing. All right. Connie will have a playlist that she is creating. Now, as we upload our videos, she's going to add our videos to the playlist. So you may want to check back frequently to see if there are any new videos being uploaded so that you can enter. You can enter to any or all of the channels that are participating. And of course, the more you enter, the greater your chances are that you will be able to win the wonderful, wonderful prizes that are soon to come. All right, now this begins on May 5th and it ends on May the 20th. You will have 7 days in which to claim your prize. We will try to do our best to verify. And the way I like to verify is to have you send an email, and then sometimes I will have you change your comment in the comment section. That way I know it's you, because only you can change your comment. Only you can edit your comment. That way I know someone's not trying to take your prize from you. All right. All right. Let's see. Oh, as you make your comment, it is really, really important for you not to cut and paste from one channel to another. That's really important. The reason is because there is a checking system within YouTube, and they actually can detect that the same comment from the same person is being sent across channels, and that is counted as spam. So when they note it as spam, then it gets deleted, and then unfortunately you wouldn't be entered, and that would be so sad, right? So don't cut and paste. From my channel, as you see, the items that I have tested for Connie have lots of colors, right? So I would like for you to put the word color work, okay? Color work. And if you put that in, I'll put the word across, then that will let me know that you are interested in participating in this giveaway. Now, I would love to give something to the semifinals that I draw, as well as the finalists. So know that you will get a mystery box from me if you are my semifinal winner. It will be delayed though, because I do want to wait until the finalist is drawn. That way I know whether you are to get the semifinalist and the finalist gift. So it will be delayed. All right. Just know that ahead of time. All right. So if there are any other things that I have forgotten, then I will try to put the information in the description box, and also ask Connie and check out her video so that you can enter over at her main channel as well. All right. The YouTube content guidelines always apply. So just know that. Please, please, please follow all the rules. It is so, so important. And it's helpful for all of us to do so. So I'm excited, and I hope you are excited too. I want each and every one of you to be mindful, do everything you can to be at your best health, and by all means, guys, be crafty every day. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye-bye now.